Hi Sagittarius, welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'll be looking at your energies for the month of January 2022. So a happy new year to everyone. In this video I'll be looking at your past, present and future energies. So it's going to be a general reading. It may or may not resonate with all of you. Take what resonates and leave the rest. If this is not your story, do not try to make it yours, alright? So let's get started with your reading for my Sagittarius, Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus, January 2022. Sagittarius. What's going on? If you want to book a personal reading with me, you can go to my Instagram page by the name The Magical Aura. The link is given in the description box below, so you can DM me over there if you want. At the back of the deck, we have the King of Cups. So this is your overall energy right now. You could be gaining so much of clarification emotionally. Okay, so this could be an energy where you are becoming really mature about the emotional trauma. Okay, so you might have gone through something big emotionally in the past and you are working on yourself, or you have already worked on yourself a lot and you have become too much controlling with your emotions at present. In the past, we have the Hermit, Knight of Pentacles and Ace of Swords. So yeah, there was clarification which was required in the past and you went through something. Okay, it was like a lot of healing. Yeah, so with the Hermit energy over here, I really feel that you have gone through a big, might be problem we would say, or it could be like emotionally you were discharged and you were charging yourself. In the present, we have the Seven of Swords, Ace of Wands and Four of Pentacles. To me, it feels that somewhere, although you have become very mature, but at the same time, you really know how people are towards you. And if people are cheating and if people are really mean to you at present, you are getting to know that. You are very clear about it and you are not letting your emotions fall for anyone like that. You know what is going on. You know the reality. In the future, we have Knight of Swords, the World and Two of Cups. So with this energy change in you, which with this maturity in energy, you are not running towards those things which do not have a final ending. Okay, so whatever you are starting, you are finishing that off, and there is some kind of a new relationship also coming towards you. This is a soulmate energy. Things are ending but something new is coming, so this is how it goes. All right, so let's see Sagittarius energy with the King of Cups. Why King of Cups is here? What is it trying to tell us? Eight of Cups, Knight of Wands, Queen of Pentacles. So you are not emotionally involved with those people who do not deserve to be present over there. So you are moving away. You, as I told you, you are able to control your emotions. You are working for something which makes you feel a little passionate about and which will give you long-term interest. You know, in that way, what I mean to say is you're working for the practical situations like money things. Okay, so you are really working on that thing. Tell me about your Knight of Pentacles energy. Knight of Swords, King of Pentacles and the Magician. Okay, so what is it about? I feel that you have really worked on in the past only. It feels like with the Magician, you might have even entered into some manifestation techniques or something where we would go for spiritual growth, and you yourself made that decision making. Okay, so although this was a very slow process in the past, but you went for it. It might have required, you know, might have given money to learn those things, but a lot of clarification, and somewhere you just took that decision. You don't know how you took that decision, how there was that inner calling in you came and you went for that, and it brought so much of inner satisfaction and so much of inner clarity. You know, clarification of mind happened in the past. Tell me about the Four of Pentacles in the present energies. The Emperor, Nine of Pentacles and Strength energy. So yeah, I really see you as a different person now, Sagittarius. It feels like you are taking stand, or you are taking charge of your own life. At the same time, you are strengthy enough. You are building up that inner strength in you because you want independence, you want freedom in life, and you are working for your own happiness. It's not other people who are trying to help you here. You are yourself enough to take decisions and to do what you want. Seven of Swords, Ten of Swords, Death, and Page of Swords. So this could be a person around you at present, because the things, I feel that something is still bothering you from the past. Okay, so this could be a person who is bothering you. This could be an ending which hasn't been ended. You know, some kind of a relationship which is still going on, although you know that this thing needs to end. So somewhere it is ending because you are clear from your mind that I do not want this person, or I do not want to enter in this situation anymore. Something in relation with social networking, or gossiping also it means. So you have heard about them from some people and you got to know what they're lying, and you caught their lies. So now it's time for you to take that stand of yourself, and you are going towards taking some strong decisions in regards with this situation or relationship. Tell me about the Knight of Swords energy in the future. Why is it here? Page of Cups, Eight of Wands, and Two of Wands. So yeah, so there will be a time where you will feel that, okay, I have to take a decision, but at the same time you are really in the crossroads. I feel that this is that decision making only which is going on in the present, something related with some other person. But it makes me feel that it will not bother you if you will even end this relationship on a bad note or on a positive note, but it will not bother you anymore, because somewhere deep down inside you were really cleared and you were expecting this kind of an ending somewhere. The World energy, why is it here? Four of Pentacles, Ten of Pentacles, and King of Swords. Yeah. So you have made yourself really strong, Sagittarius. It feels like you are a very different person now and in the coming future. Money is important and stable relationships are important for you. But if those people who are with you, around you, who are not stable enough, so it feels like you are ready to cut them off, or you're ready to control your emotions and your mind enough that it's really easy for you to say somewhere, because you have built that from inside, that you are saying it's enough now and I really want an ending from you or something like that. But you are really hard to be, it's you cannot trust anyone. That you have built it in yourself. Two of Cups energy, what is this? Judgment, Two of Swords, and Six of Pentacles. So yes, a decision which is going to, I don't feel that this is the month where you are going to take that decision. I feel that you are taking some more time to decide. You will wait for that person to there is some test which you do for other people. So you could be testing this person's love towards you, or how they are behaving when you are in front of so many people outside, and how they're behaving with you. So this is kind of some things which you are going to do, and this is not the month of decision, might be the next month. But yeah, your mind knows somewhere what is the answer. It's just you are trying to make it happen, or you are just getting some clarification. Okay, so that is all. And I really hope that helps. So goodbye till we meet again. Bye bye.